Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle your web camera on Ideapad C340 laptop. So the first option to enable and disable your camera is by using shortcuts and using function keys. The function key for disabling camera is F8. So to enable or disable your camera, you have to press and hold down the function key that is located right over here, and then press the F8 button to disable or enable your camera. But the second option is through the settings, which allows you to fully disable your camera. To enter it, you just have to go to the start, then settings, then scroll down to Bluetooth and devices right here, and then here select cameras, select an integrated camera, and then select disable. Confirm, and this way you fully disable your camera. To enable it, just press right here, and now you can use it again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.